Hello! To insert SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to open the SIM tray using this SIM tray tool. We need to carefully put the needle inside this pinhole and carefully push it. Alright, as we can see, it's opened. It might be a little bit tricky to take it out. Alright, and as you can see, here we have the SD card and the SIM card slots. We have actually two of them. We take our SIM card and we need to pay attention at this cut here to put it in correctly. As we put it in facing the top, the SIM card fits perfectly into this slot. Now we need to carefully put it back in. Pay attention to the cards if they aren't getting out of the slot, so it is possible to put the tray back inside the phone. As you can see, we got a little problem. Oh, and the SD card fell out, but we won't need it. As you can see, it's closed, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.